In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can remove green screen in Clipchamp. So let's get started. So here we are on Clipchamp, and now we have our green screen footage. So first is that you want to select your footage in here, and then you want to go click here on effects. And basically in here, you just want to find the green screen effect. So you want to search for it here and type in green screen, and then you'd have this. You want to click on that, and it will now automatically be applied. In my case, since I have a very good green screen footage wherein the green screen is actually pretty easy to remove, so with just one click, it's automatically removed right there. Now, let's test it out by putting in some clips right here beneath that so that we would be able to see if the green screen really worked. As you can see, we can now see the clip right there, and then when we play it, it's now seamless right there. It has now removed the green screen, and now it's showing the clip underneath it. Now, if it's not smooth, then you can just click here on your clip again, which is the green screen clip. And then you want to go into effects again and the green screen. And you want to make sure that you adjust the threshold accordingly. As you can see, if I go too much, it will affect the surroundings. So make sure that you only put in just the right amount so that you'd have this smooth green screen effect on your clip. And then it's not only available for green screen, by the way. You can also select different colors. Like for example, you have a blue screen instead of green. You can go here into screen color, and now you would want to go for red or green or blue. So these are your choices in here. So you could only do red and blue screen aside from green screen. Like for example, when I go red, as you can see, it will now be messed up because my screen here is actually green. So I should select green. So that's it for this video on how you'd be able to remove green screen in Clipchamp. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.